Here's a quick demo showing how to bake bevels onto this cube using the example shown in Blender Artist. First, I'll select these two, Control minus to subtract them. Let's go in here and let's apply all of this, and we'll shade smooth this, and we'll delete the Boolean operator. And now you can see that we have some kind of shape that we were talking about previously. So next, I'll select this object, Shift A, search for bevel, drop it in here, hook that up to the normal. I'll give it the maximum samples of 16. And let's go over here and turn on cycles. And we need to be in the CPU mode here for this to work. And here we have our bevel showing in cycles. Now, from here, it's relatively easy. I can go ahead and add a split modifier if I think I'm going to have problems with smoothing. Now, from here, what we're going to want to do is just go into UV editing, A, to select all U, and do Smart UV Project. And let's give this 0.15 and 0.15 here in the island margin and the area weight. And say OK. And here's our UVs. Go back to our layout and let's create a texture. So we'll create a new image texture. New, call it 2K. Set it to 32-bit, no alpha. I use 32-bit because I know I'm going to get a higher quality image. I can always sample it down later. There's our image. Keep it selected along with the object, and we'll go over to the bake area. Make sure our bake type is set to normal and hit bake. And now it's doing a CPU bake, so it's going to come back a little bit later and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so now that we're done, let's go ahead and let's add an image viewer here. And we'll grab our 2K image, scale it down. You can see looks pretty good. Come over here. We'll add a normal map. Drop it in here, hook the color up to that, hook that normal up to there, and you can see it looks darn good. Let's look at it in Eevee, and looks perfect. So hopefully that explains how you can use Blender to create your bevel normals.